Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. What game are you playing?
Kia ora, Kōkā! Snakes and ladders!
That's a good idea for a rainy day.
It's okay. Be better playing outside, though. It's raining outside, or we'll get wet. Ooh, the sky's getting dark. Maybe there's a storm coming. We'll be okay. Oh, wait! I don't like lightning. We should hide. Let's all sing a song so we can't hear the thunder. Singing will help us feel strong.
Nice idea. Why don't you sing together so no one will feel scared or afraid? How are you all feeling now, Tākaro Tribe?
Good, Kōkā. I'm not scared anymore. Look, the rain has stopped. Yay! We can go outside and play.
Ooh, the storm was quite bad, Tākaro Tribe. I wonder how Pāpā Rākau is.
Maybe he was scared of the storm too.
Off you go to see Pāpā Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aune. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Are you okay?
I'm okay now. That was a bad storm.
I was scared of the thunder and lightning. It's Kuaka, Pāpā Rākau. He fell out of your branches. Poor Kuaka.
He and his flock should be starting their long journey now. Kuaka has told me he can't find his flock. Perhaps you can help him.
How can we help him, Pāpā Rākau?
You should ask the ngahere.
E te wānui e hora nei, Tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie huie taiki e. It's the letter M.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite. Aha ka mana para kawana pa. E heke nene tere te wene pe. I hiki mini giri tiwingi fi. Oho ko mono poro kawana po. A e I o u. Uhu ku muru kuru tunu fu. I feel sorry for Kōkā being separated from his whānau. What are we going to do if we can't find his flock? We keep looking. Let's not be scared.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You made it to the top.
I can see the ocean far, far away. Me too. And I can see a flock of birds flying in a circle. It must be Kōkā's whānau. Kōkā wants to fly. I think he's too scared from the storm. How can we help him? Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what it says?
M, A, I, A. Ma, Ia, Maya.
Well done, Maya. Brave.
Let's be brave, guys. If we are brave, Kōkā will be brave too. You okay now, Kōkā? When I was scared, my whānau helped me be brave. Your whānau will help you too. Who's right, Kōkā? Your family are here to support you and help you be brave.
He's flying in a circle to say thank you, Tākaro Tribe.
Goodbye, Kōkā. See you in spring. How long will it take the Kōkā whānau to fly back to the other side of the world? Let's ask Pāpā Rākau.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You managed to help Kōkā find his flock.
Yes, Pāpā Rākau. We have a question, Pāpā Rākau.
Ask away,
How long will it take the Kōkā whānau to fly back to the other side of the world?
The flock will fly past Australia, then back to their other home in the North Pole.
Wow, that's a very long way. Thank you, Pāpā Rākau.
Let's look at some shapes. Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Ana! And we had lots of fun!
Yes, Shall we look at the things you did?
Ana!
The storm frightened Afterwards, you went to see Pāpā Rākau when Kūaka fell out of his branches. Then you set out to help Kūaka find his flock. You learnt to spell the word Maia. M-A-I-A. Maia. Brave! You climbed to the top of a hill and saw Kūaka's whānau in the distance. With your help, Kūaka succeeded in getting back to his flock. Ka pai Tākaro Tribe! How do you all feel now?
We feel harikua! Happy!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmārie, good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmārie!
Horoi ato mata, paraihe hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe Pōmārie, e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au to moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Pōmārie! Good night!
He mea tautoko nā Te Māngai
Pāho.
Titiro, look, here comes tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe.
Busy yawning.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. How are you all feeling today?
I feel really tired.
Why are you tired?
I'm so excited that I wake up too early.
What are you excited about?
The forest concert. It's tonight. We're all excited. I'm nervous about singing in front of everyone. But you love singing, But everyone else is so good at singing. What if I'm not good? You'll be all right. We'll be with you too. It's easier to be brave when your friends are with you.
It's good to mahi-tahi. Work together. Do you feel better now, Oo?
Much better. Thank you, Oa. Pāpā Rākau is calling us.
Ka pai Tākaro Tribe. Off you go to see Pāpā Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, Ruru.
You look tired,
Yes, Pāpā Rākau. I woke up too early and now I'm very tired. I'm too excited about the concert tonight.
Me too. Have you been practicing a song?
Yes, we will all practice together.
Everyone in the forest is excited about the concert. But Ruru can't sleep. He gets woken up by all the practicing.
We can help you, Ruru. Oh, let's ask the forest for help too. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mahita. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e taiki e. It's the letter P.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Aha, ka mana para kaua ngā pā. E heke mene pere te wene pe. I hiki mimi giri tiwingi whi. O hoko mono pora kaua ngā pō. A e, I o u. Uhuku mura kuru tūnu fu.
This is where Ruru lives. And that is Tui practicing for the concert.
Tui is singing so loud that Ruru can't sleep. Maybe Ruru could go and sleep in a different tree. But that tree is his home. He's always lived there.
That's right. Ruru has always slept in the hollow of that tree.
What shall we do then?
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what that says?
P, A, T, A, E. Pa, tai, tatai.
Well done. Pātai. Ask.
But what do we have to ask? I have an idea. Ruru, did you ask Tui if he could sing somewhere else?
Ruru says that he felt too nervous to ask Tui.
Why don't we ask with you? It's easier to be brave when your friends are with you.
That's great, Tākaro Tribe. You can all work together to help Ruru be Māia. Brave!
Tēnā koe, Tui. Your singing is very beautiful. We can't wait to hear you at the concert tonight. But Ruru can't sleep. He lives in that tree just there. Could you sing somewhere else, please?
Tui says he is happy to sing somewhere else.
Thank you, Tui.
That was very polite asking Tākaro Tribe. That's right, Ruru. Have a good moi. Sleep before the concert.
And I might need a nap too.
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You managed to help Ruru so he could get some sleep before the concert.
And I had a nap too, so I'm not tired anymore.
Are you ready to do your song?
Peke peke. Wiri hia oringa. Whiua opoi. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. Whiua o hope. E haka. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. Peke peke. Wiri hia oringa. Whiua opoi. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. Whiua o hope. E haka. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani. Tamariki maho mai te kaha. Whai mai tēnā me kanikani.
That was fun to watch. Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
Kia ora tamariki mā, noho mai ki taku taha, taha mai ki tā, Kōkā taha, tihei Māori ora. What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe. Shall we look at the things you did? I was tired because she kept waking up too early. Duru was tired too because Tui was singing beside his home. You learnt to spell the word pātai. P-A-T-A-I. Pātai. Ask. You were brave to pātai. Ask Tui to sing somewhere else. You asked very nicely, so Tui agreed. Then you sang your song at the forest concert. How do you all feel now?
We feel haikua. Hey!
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, paraihe o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Good night.
He mea tautoko nā Te Māngai
Pāho.
Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe.
goes Kereru flying past.
Kia ora rā. What are you all up to?
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're just here dreaming.
Ooh, dreaming about what?
Dreaming about flying. You need pariro, wings to fly, and you don't have any. Neither does Moa, and Kiwi's pariro are too small. I've got an idea. Let's hanga, make some wings. Can we really hanga, make wings? Yes, we can. What a great idea, all. Let's mahi-tahi. Work together to hanga, make pariro. Do we need to make pariro, Kōkā?
Maybe some harakeke, some toitoi, and a tie of some sort will help.
Ooh, let's make the ties from harakeke. I don't think we need that, Moa. It's too heavy.
Let's thank Moa. He wants to help.
You're all good, Moa. Thank you for helping.
Have you collected all the things you need to make pariro?
Aye, Kōkā.
Well done. When you've made your wings, see if Pāpā Rākau knows where you might try your wings out.
Thank you, Kōkā.
Mariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aure. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora e Moa, kia ora e Kiwi. What are you up to today?
We worked together today to make pariro for myself, Kiwi and Moa.
Why do you want to fly, or?
We watched Kereru and now we want to fly as well. That's right. So we decided to work together, mahi-tahi, to make them wings. They're done.
I see. So you don't need my help today.
Yes, we do, Pāpā Rākau. We're looking for a place to try the wings out. Where will we find the best hill, Pāpā Rākau?
There are plenty hills in the forest. If there's no wind, you won't fly.
Thank you, Pāpā Rākau. Let's climb to where the wind is. E te wānui e horanei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taikie. It's the letter H.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite. Are you all ready? You go first, Kiwi. Jump higher, Kiwi! You have a go, Moa. You've got long legs. You can jump higher. Your turn, or... No, I can't do it. We've climbed this hill for nothing.
Don't be pōri, or. Don't forget the ngahere sent you some help.
That's right. What letters do we have in the kete,
Can you read what it says?
H, A, N, A, Ha, Nga, Hanga. Hanga! Yay!
Karawe. Hanga. Maybe you need to hanga, make something else.
Yes, that's a big help. Kōkā's right. What sort of help is that? We've already made you wings and you're all still walking. No, that's another big help from the ngahere. You'll see.
What are you doing now, Tākaro Tribe?
Now we've made this kite. Come on, Kiwi. Kiwi might get taken away by the wind and never come back.
Well, Kiwi. Because Tākaro Tribe, the forest and the wind worked together, you've managed to fly today. You just might be the very first Kiwi to fly.
Yay! Kiwi can fly!
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You all saw Kiwi fly. Let's look at some other things that fly.
Whakatopatopa. Purerehua.
Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe. Shall we look at the things you did? After watching birds fly, or Kiwi and Moa wanted to fly too. You followed the leaves up a hill and learned to spell the word hanga. H-A-N-G-A. Hanga. Then O made a kite from the pariro and Kiwi was able to fly. How do you all feel now?
We feel harikwa, happy.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmarie.
Horoia tō mata, paraihe hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmari. ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia auto moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Good night!
He mea tautoko nā te māngai
Pāho.
Titiro, look, here comes tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, kōrua. Flying kites is just the most fun thing to do.
Kia ora, Kōkā. It's the best.
The wind is blowing nicely as well.
The wind makes the kite swerve left and right. If the wind is too strong, it might carry the kite away.
You'd better be careful. What colour is the kite?
It's parauti, brown. Would you like to hold the kite? Yes, please, or I'd like that. Thank you for thinking about me.
Now that's really cool, Tākaro Tribe. Sharing is caring.
Oh, I can feel the wind tugging at the kite. Hold on tight, Oh, I'm really sorry, Or. The wind was too strong and the string broke. Kei te pai, It's not your fault. Let's go and look for it. We should all go. Let's mahi tahi, work together to find the kite.
Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe. It's good to think about each other and mahi tahi, work together.
which direction the kite went. Come on, Tākaro Tribe. Let's go and see Pāpā Rākau.
Pāpā Tākaro Tribe. Safe travels.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero,
o te ao marama. Aune.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. How are you all today?
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau. We're sort of okay. Our kite got blown away by the wind, so we need your help to find it.
I'm sure I can help with that. But before I can do that, Pūkeko needs your help.
Kia ora, Pūkeko. What's the matter with Pūkeko, Pāpā Rākau?
He's very worried. He says he saw something very unusual by his home.
Beside the river.
That's right. He believes he saw a taniwha.
Oh, Pūkeko saw a taniwha.
Maybe you should go and have a look, Tākaro Tribe.
Ka pai, we'll follow Pūkeko. But what about the kite or? Who is going to look for it? The kite can wait, Pūkeko is very worried, so he comes first. Come on, Pūkeko. You lead the way. Just a minute, Pūkeko. Let's ask the forest for help.
Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe.
E te wānui e hura nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māputa. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e, tai ki e. It's the letter R.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite.
Aha ka mana para kawana pa, e heke mene pere te wenepe, I hiki mini kiri tiwini fi, o hoko mono poro kawana po, a e, I o u, uhuku muru puru tunu fu.
Where did taniwha live, Kōkā?
In a den by the river, or in a deep pool, or in the sea. Taniwha are there to help or let us know to be careful.
Okay, Kōkā, we'll be careful. Where did you see the taniwha, Pūkeko? I can only see parodi, brown tree trunks. Did you really see a taniwha, Pūkeko? I can see a pair of eyes looking down at us. Is that you, taniwha? What are you doing hiding up in a tree? Come down here. Perhaps taniwha can't hear you.
Maybe the forest has given you a clue.
Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what it says?
R, U, E, R, U, E. Rui, rui. Rui.
Rawe, rui rui, to shake down.
What a good idea. Let's rui shake the tree so the taniwha will fall down. It's not a taniwha. It's the manu tuku. Yay! We've found the kite!
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You've found the kite. What colour was the manu tuku?
Parodi! Brown!
Let's look at other things that are parodi, brown.
ready.
Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Ana!
Shall we look at the things you did?
Ana!
E and O were flying the kite when a gust of wind blew it away. Pūkeko thought he'd seen a taniwha and was very worried. You learnt to spell the word ruirui, R-U-I, R-U-I, ruirui, to shake down. You saw something up a tree and had to ruirui the tree to shake it down. You succeeded in finding the kite and Pūkeko stopped worrying. Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe. How do you all feel now?
We feel happy. Happy.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoia tō mata, paraihe o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moe ia. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moe ia. E pai ai o moe moe ia.
Good night.
He mea tautoko nā Te Māngai
Pāho.
Titiro, look, here comes tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Those fuchsia berries look tasty.
Kia ora, Kōkā. They're really delicious. Really delicious.
I see your friend Moa is there. Did he eat some berries too?
Anna, he ate so many berries his buku got full, so he decided to have a nap. Kia ora, Pūkeko.
Pūkeko would like some berries too. Are there any left?
Sorry, Pūkeko. We just ate the last berries, but we can pick some more. Anna, let's pick some berries together. Either berries are too high. If we were taller, we'd be able to reach the berries. Why don't we make something to make us taller? We could make stilts to make our legs longer. Then we'll be taller. And we can all work together to make them.
You're very tall now. Will you be able to reach the berries?
Oh man, you still can't reach the berries. I feel pody, sad that my stilts didn't work.
Your stilts did work, or they're just not tall enough to help pick the higher berries.
Maybe Pāpā Rākau can help.
Good idea, Ah. Off you all go to see Pāpā Rākau.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aue. Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Kia ora, Pūkeko.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
What have you been doing today?
We were eating berries.
They were really delicious.
You must all feel happy after eating berries.
We do, but Pūkeko missed out on the berries.
And we can't pick any more because they're all too high.
We made some stilts to reach the berries, but we still weren't tall enough.
What can we do, Pāpā Rākau?
Perhaps the forest can help you solve this problem.
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's ask the forest for help.
E
te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mātuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao marama. Haumi e hui e, tai ki e. It's the letter R.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go. Good luck, Tākaro Tribe.
Bye, Pāpā Rākau. Ka kite.
Aha ka mana para tawana pa E heke mene tere te wanepe I hiki mini kiri tiwingi fi O hoko mono poro tawana po A e I o u Uhuku muna kiri tuwana fu
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did Pāpā Rākau have any advice for you?
He thought the forest might help us. Let's look at the letters.
Can you read what that says?
A, F, I, N, A. A, Si, Na. Āwhina.
Well done. Āwhina. Help.
What does that mean? Who do we need to āwhina? Help. We already tried to help Pūkeko by making stilts.
Oh, I know. Why don't we help each other to get higher? You can climb on my shoulders.
That sounds like a good idea. But kia tūpapo, be careful.
Ow! That didn't work. There must be another way to āwhina help each other. We need to make a more stable shape, like a triangle.
That's a good idea, or triangles are the strongest shape, aren't they? Moa is wondering what you're all doing there. He thinks it looks like fun.
We're trying to āwhina help Pūkeko get some berries.
Moa thinks maybe he could āwhina help you too.
Of course, we need Moa to āwhina help us because he is so tall.
Pūkeko says thank you for all your āwhina help. The berries are delicious.
Yay!
Well done, Tākaro Tribe. You and Moa managed to āwhina help Pūkeko.
And we all had yummy berries to eat.
What colour were those delicious berries?
Waiporoporo. Purple.
Let's look at other things that are waiporoporo, purple.
Waiporoporo.
Time for you all to visit Kōkā.
What a busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe.
Anna, the berries were very delicious. My buku is full.
Yes, you still needed some āwhina, help from more, to reach the berries. Shall we look at the things you did?
Anna.
You were eating fuchsia berries and Pūkeko wanted some. You tried to pick more, but you weren't tall enough. You made stilts, but you still weren't tall enough. The forest gave you a clue. Āwhina. Āwhina. Help. You tried helping each other by lifting each other up, but that didn't work. Then Moa offered to āwhina, help you. That was the āwhina you needed. How do you all feel now?
We feel harikwa. Happy.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Horoi ato mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pōmarie. E kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro. E pai ai o moe moe a. Kia